This is one ordinary photo. And this is that same photo, now a full cinematic scene, from every angle. No prompts, no skills, just apps that feel like a superpower inside Artlist. Today, I'm going to show you these jaw-dropping tools. So let's dive in. Head over to Artlist. It is the all-in-one platform creators use for stock music, footage, and now a full suite of AI tools. And the newest weapon? Artlist apps. Over 70 one-click AI apps that do the hard creative work for you. We're counting down 12, so stick around, because the one your clients will pay for is coming. Let's start by turning you into a director. I am using this same person for this section. Tool 1. 20 locations in 10 seconds. App 1. And buckle up. Take one subject and drop it into 20 completely different places. One click, wait for 10 seconds, and boom. I mean, look at this. One person, one shot, and she's everywhere. And it doesn't just move her. It restyles her for every place automatically. It's a whole travel campaign, shot in your living room. Tool 2, multi-angle scene. This is the director's secret weapon. Feed it one image, select ratio and duration. One click, and see, it reframes that moment from every angle. One frame becomes a full scene. Tool 3, Earth Zoom. Upload a single shot of your subject on the ground. One click. That epic movie shot that starts in space and rockets all the way down to one person? Done. Instant blockbuster intro. Tool 4, Day to Night. Missed golden hour? Doesn't matter. Upload any flat, sunny daytime clip. One click, and it becomes a moody, cinematic night scene. Stars, shadows, all handled. Let's explore the product section that actually makes money. Tool 5, Product Lifestyle. Take a boring product photo on a plain white background. One click, no studio, no photographer. Sell this to your client. It's an instant money-making tool. Tool 6, Packaging Mockup. Just upload your product. No design or logo needed. One click, and it builds the entire package around it. Perfect for pitching a full brand before a single unit is printed. Tool 7, Viral Product Transformation. This is why brands are obsessed with Artlist right now. You start with a lifeless product photo. One click, and it becomes a scroll-stopping, cinematic viral moment. This single app can be your entire content service. Let's transform you and have fun. Tool 8, AI Headshot Generator. And this one's completely free. Take any casual photo, messy background, whatever you've got. One click, and it's a studio-grade professional headshot. Same face, brand new career. Tool 9, Character Freeze. This is the one that makes people go, how? Feed it one single photo of your subject. One click and a simple prompt. Boom, and it freezes them in a dramatic split-second moment. No rig, no crew. Tool 10, Hairstyle Swap. Upload your photo and try on any look before you ever touch a pair of scissors. One click. A sleek bob, cute bangs, braided pigtails. Done. Time for a plot twist. Let's talk audio. Tool 11, Video Voice Changer. Upload any video with someone talking.
Why you remember embarrassing moments? Your brain.
Upload a new voice.
Why do you remember embarrassing moments?
One click.
Why you remember embarrassing moments? Your brain thinks it's protecting you by replaying pain.
And now, the final boss. The most powerful engine, Gemini Omni Flash. We already explored 20 locations in 10 seconds and multi-angle scene. Let's try this one. Tool 12, Add Explosion. Upload any photo and circle the spot. One click. Omni handles the blast. Hollywood-grade VFX that used to cost thousands. Now one click, with native synced audio built right in. And it doesn't stop there. Watch the dog panic. While every other app does one thing brilliantly, this one does it all. 12 apps, one platform. and there are over 60 more waiting inside. No prompts, no skills, just click and create. Try it free, links in the description. Now go make something that stops the scroll. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want more interesting AI updates like this. See you in the next one.